Hi, this is Pinky here with NJ Mortgage. I just wanted to take a minute to introduce ourselves to you and tell you about how we're going to help you in your journey in buying a home. We here at NJ Mortgage take really great pride in making sure that we provide you with just the most phenomenal service that you've ever experienced. And that's our goal, is to really wow you. Not just make you happy, but to make you say, wow, was that really that simple? And we do that in a couple ways. Education is important for us, so we make sure that we answer all your questions. There's no question that we think of as too silly or too dumb. I understand that you don't do this every day, so I'm here to help you through the process. We do it every day, so we know the ins and outs of it. So we make sure that we educate you on that and help you avoid mistakes that others have made. We also I think we're also very good at communication. So we make sure that we keep you informed on the process on a regular basis, as well as keeping your realtor involved and your mortgage attorney, so that this way they're not coming to you with questions either about what's going on with your mortgage. And then we also help you by coordinating with all of them so that you don't have to. Our goal is to make this a stress-free process for you. And as I said, we want all of our clients to walk out thinking, wow, this was great. And so we work towards that. We don't expect, we know that we have to earn that, and we work really hard to make sure that we can. And then as a benefit, we are a mortgage broker. So I have the, luxury of shopping around at different banks on your behalf so that you don't have to worry about doing that. So we do, and that you're not limited to their offerings of just one bank as well, because we do work with multiple lenders so that we can give you different options and find the one that's suitable for your conditions. And we like to make sure that we consult with you and help you understand what your options are so that you can pick the right one for you. So if you have any questions at all, I'd love to answer them, and I'd love a chance to, to work with you. It would really be an honor and a privilege to help you buy your new home. Thank you. Bye-bye.